Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel, guys. There is something I learned about this washing machine. It's suddenly stopped working and we looked for a mechanic. The mechanic did some work and it started working, and all of a sudden it stopped working, and I was there wondering what is the problem, what could be the problem. Guess what? I had to check to see the problem. Then I had to open this washing machine, and guess what? It was very dirty. How long have you taken minus checking your washing machine, cleaning it? It was very dirty. This washing machine almost took, I don't know, it's like it took a lot of years minus cleaning it. Look at this. I'm going to show you the dust that was inside there. It had something stuck inside, that's why it was not working. But when the mechanic took it, they brought it back when it is working, and I was wondering, yeah, what? Didn't they see it? So that is me trying to remove all the dust, guys. I'm going to show you, so you have to watch this video, like the video, comment if you have learned something. You have to watch and learn, guys. Yeah, at least in a while, take time and check your washing machine. You can do this even at home. This is a skill that you can learn without even taking it to a mechanic. You can do it by yourself at home. So I had to clean it, and even my boss was like, what? Yeah, I just come in this house, so I didn't know about this, but look at that. I don't know, maybe the person who was here used not to check, but the machine was really dirty. And sometimes my boss used to tell me, some clothes you finish to wash or you finish to do laundry, and then the clothes were somehow stinking, and we could ask ourselves, what is this? What could be the problem? And then look at this. How can you wash clothes and they don't stink with this? Look at this, guys. So me, I'd even resorted to washing it from a washing machine, do laundry from the washing machine, then get a basin, put water, and then put comfort in that basin, not in the washing machine, not knowing that it was very dirty. So now I was looking for the solution. Look at this. Look at this. Very dirty, huh? You see? Something was just stuck here, so it was not working, guys. They brought it, it started working like that, and I was like, Then all of a sudden it stopped. It had something stuck, so it was this one is the one that were stopping even that top thing to rotate. It was not rotating, and I was like, what is the problem? You see? So if you have a washing machine and you have taken long minus cleaning it, guys, take note and clean the washing machine. You know, sometimes we we do laundry, and then you find yourself that you are rinsing clothes, but the water is very dirty, and then you ask yourself, hey, where this dust could be coming from? And then look at this. Look at this. Very dirty. So it was very dirty. So I had to do the cleaning, and guess what? It started working as you're going to be watching. So guys, thank you for watching my video. If you're new here, my name is Daisy here in Saudi Arabia, and to my lovely subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thank you for subscribing on my channel. Thank you for commenting. I do really appreciate. So guys, like this video, learn something, comment down below if you have learned something from this. So some of you should learn these skills because it is really important. Okay, so let's look at this. that is how everything went, and we had to fix it back and finish it. Everything was like wow as you're watching. So there, I'm still going to clean when you are off. So guys, at that time I was tired also because I was fixing a lot and I had to clean. I had to remove a lot of dust as you have watched. So thank you so much. Now I had to place and see whether it's working again, and I was very happy. Just now I was extremely happy. As you're watching, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. At that time I wanted also to sleep. I just told myself, let me go and rest, guys. Thank you, because everything was done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Bye.